The comeback is better than the setback. Every successful person has a story of disappointment, rejection, failure, or unexpected obstacles. The difference is not that they avoided setbacks. The difference is that they refused to stay there. A setback can feel like the end of the road, but often it's just a detour leading you to something greater. The lessons you learn during difficult times build resilience, character, and determination that success alone can never teach. Every challenge sharpens your focus. Every obstacle strengthens your resolve. Every setback prepares you for an even bigger comeback. The people who achieve extraordinary things are not the ones who never fail. They're the ones who keep moving forward when others quit. They understand that temporary setbacks don't define their future. Their response does. That's why so many people are turning to entrepreneurship and creating opportunities for themselves instead of waiting for someone else to provide them. They want control over their income, their schedule, and their future. They want a vehicle that rewards effort, persistence, and consistency. At TruPowur, you're not building someone else's dream, you're building your own. You're helping residential and commercial customers save money on a monthly expense they already have, while creating a compounding residual income stream that can continue to grow month after month and year after year. The setback may have slowed you down, but your comeback can change everything. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.